Good morning. We have been learning about a city in the south of India. It is the capital of this state of Tamil Nadu. Can you tell me which city it is? Yes, that's right, Chennai. We are learning about the city of Chennai. Come on, let's locate where is Chennai on this map of Tamil Nadu. Here in the north of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Do you remember the old name of Chennai? Madras. That's right. And also we learned that Chennai is on the coast of the Bay of Bengal. This coast is called as the Coromandel Coast. Okay, we also learned about the climate of Chennai. Climate of Chennai is warm and humid. Now let's locate where Chennai is located on the map of India. We go down south and on the eastern coast of the Bay of Bengal is city of Chennai and the old name is Madras. So we have learned about the location, then the climate, also how the important government offices of the Tamil Nadu state are located here in the city of Chennai. Today we will be covering economy, the utility services like the water supply and also about the transport services in the city of Chennai. So let's get ready to learn more about the city of Chennai. So open your textbooks to the lesson of Chennai and read along with me. Economy, utility services and transport services. Chennai is famous for its textile industry. So which industry is famous in Chennai? The textile industry. You can underline the word. Other important industries are automobile industries, software services and hardware manufacturing units. Water supply is provided by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. The bus services are run by the government-owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. So let's underline the important words. Water supply is provided by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. And what about the bus services? It's by the government-owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. Also, there is another important means of transport. Vans which run like bus services are popularly called maxi cabs and are a popular means of transport in this city. So what is the other popular means of transport? It's maxi cabs. So like any other metropolitan city, Chennai is also a big commercial and industrial center. Now let's learn in more about which are the different industries in Chennai, also about what are the transport facilities and about the water supply, how it is taken care of. We will learn more about all these things. Now let's learn about the bus services. Who takes care of the bus services? Bus services are run by the government-owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. Then we also learned about the maxi cabs. So maxi cabs are a very popular means of transport. They are like vans which run similar to a bus service. We also learned about the water supply of Chennai, that it is taken care of by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply System. So they manage the uh, distribution of water to the city of Chennai. The most popular industry in Chennai is the textile industry. What is the textile industry? It is basically the manufacturing and the design and distribution of different types of cloth or clothing. For example, there is cotton, which is used as the raw material, or it could be even any other synthetic fibers. So, textile industry is a famous industry of Chennai. Apart from textile industries, there are also other industries like the automobile industry, hardware, and software industries. What is the meaning of automotive industries? They include the companies which develop and manufacture and sell motor vehicles like cars, trucks. Okay. Then what do we mean by hardware? Hardware, companies that design and manufacture computer and its other related devices, then storage devices, other equipments for interconnecting the computers. These are all the hardware industries. And finally, software industries are the industries which manufacture software. What is the meaning of software? Basically, it's the set of instructions and which will tell the computer what to do. So the different industries in Chennai are textile industries, then automobile, hardware and software. Now let's have a quick revision of the things that we learned today. The famous industry in Chennai is textile industry. Apart from that, there is also automobile, hardware and software industries in Chennai. Water supply is by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. What about the bus service? Bus service is by the government-owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation of Chennai. And another popular means of transport in Chennai is by the maxi vans or the maxi cabs. So I hope we all have understood what we learned today, and now let's have a quick question answer time. I hope all of you are ready to answer the questions. First question, Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply takes care of the transport, electricity, water supply or none of the above. What's the right answer? The answer is C, water supply. Second question, Chennai is famous for which industry? Textile, footwear, leather or none of the above? Can you tell me which is the right answer? The answer is textile industry. Well done. So with that we have completed the third topic for the lesson Chennai. We learned about the different kinds of industries, then about the utility services, transport services in the city of Chennai.